Hi everyone, welcome back to the Health Scholar Hub. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of people experience but might feel embarrassed to ask about. Itching down there. Vaginal or vulvar itching can be uncomfortable, frustrating, and even concerning. But don't worry, we're here to go through the common causes, treatments, and ways to prevent it. First, let's talk a bit about the anatomy. It's important to note that itching can occur in the vaginal area, which is internal, or on the vulva, which is the external part. Both areas are delicate and sensitive, and there are multiple reasons they might feel itchy. One of the most common causes of vaginal itching is a yeast infection. This occurs when there's an overgrowth of the fungus Candida, which is naturally present in small amounts. Symptoms can include itching, thick white discharge, and sometimes a burning sensation. Yeast infections are super common, and they're usually easily treatable. Another cause is bacterial vaginosis or BV. This happens when there's an imbalance in the bacteria that live in the vagina. Instead of good bacteria, bad bacteria take over, causing an unpleasant odor and sometimes a thin gray or white discharge, along with itching. Sometimes, itching can be due to products like scented soaps, laundry detergents, or even certain fabrics. These products can irritate the sensitive skin in the area, leading to an allergic reaction or contact dermatitis. Hormonal changes. During menopause, for example, the body's estrogen levels decrease, which can lead to dryness and irritation, causing itching. Sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Certain STIs, like trichomoniasis, genital herpes, and chlamydia, can cause itching and other symptoms, such as discharge or discomfort. It's essential to get tested regularly if you're sexually active. Poor hygiene or tight clothing, wearing tight, non-breathable clothing, like leggings or synthetic underwear, can trap moisture and heat, creating an environment where bacteria and yeast thrive. Now that we know some of the common causes, let's talk about how to treat vaginal and vulvar itching effectively. Antifungal medications for yeast infections. If it's a yeast infection, antifungal medications, like creams or suppositories available over the counter, are usually very effective. Be sure to follow the directions carefully and complete the full treatment. Probiotics for bacterial imbalance. For bacterial vaginosis, your doctor may prescribe antibiotics. It can also help to maintain healthy vaginal flora by taking probiotics, either as a supplement or through foods like yogurt. Avoid irritants. If you think an allergy or sensitivity is the cause, try to avoid scented soaps, bubble baths, and douches, and choose hypoallergenic laundry detergents. Stick to cotton underwear, which is more breathable. Hydrate the area for dryness. If hormonal changes are causing dryness, talk to your doctor. They might recommend vaginal moisturizers or, in some cases, low-dose estrogen creams. 5. Get tested if necessary. For itching due to an STI, testing is important. Treatment often includes antibiotics or antiviral medications depending on the infection, and it's essential to treat both partners if you're sexually active. 6. Proper hygiene and clothing choices. Showering daily and wearing loose, breathable clothing can help reduce irritation. Avoid staying in wet swimsuits or workout clothes for long periods to prevent moisture buildup. Now, let's go over some simple prevention tips to avoid itchy discomfort in the future. Wear cotton underwear. Cotton is breathable and absorbs moisture, which helps keep the area dry. Avoid scented products. Stay away from products with fragrances and harsh chemicals. Stick to unscented soaps and hypoallergenic detergents. Practice safe sex. Using condoms and getting tested regularly can prevent infections that may lead to itching. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet supports immune health and a healthy microbiome. Consider including probiotic-rich foods. Don't douche. Douching can disrupt your natural balance and lead to infections. Your body is usually good at cleaning itself. While many cases of itching can be treated at home, it's important to know when to seek medical advice. If you're experiencing symptoms like unusual discharge, pain, or if the itching doesn't go away with self-care, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, vaginal health is just as important as any other part of your body, and there's no need to feel embarrassed. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips from *the Health Scholar Hub. Until next